So, quick little update. I edited a Squirtle, Wartortle and Blastoise the other day. So I made sure this morning that the print was a CTB file from the software app, and once I confirmed that it was up to go, you can see it there, BWS print ready CTB. So anytime you're gonna print through Elegoo and you use Chitu Box, however you pronounce it, you will need to make sure that that print is saved in a CTB file, otherwise it will not print. You'll get a blank file coming up on this little section here when you go to print. So just be wary of that. I'll keep you updated with any more of this print as it goes along. I've taken the lid off here and I've paused it around 24%, and I'm just gonna take a little check underneath to see how it's coming along. All the supports seem to be coming along correctly. There's plenty of liquid left in the vat, so I'm going to put that back and continue the print from here. It seems to be going good so far. So here we are with an update, about 48%. Took the lid off there, paused it so I can have a look at the print. You can see Squirtle in the front there, he's nearly finished. It's Blastoise there, Wartortle in the back, no, maybe Blastoise in the back, can't see. But they seem to be coming out reasonably well. Supports are all attached, nothing's come off the base plate there, it's all stuck. So I'm going to pop this back in and update you when it's finished. So as you can see here, they've come out pretty well. I have noticed some of the supports have lifted off the bed there. I'll have to check the settings to see why that has happened. One of his cannons may be cured incorrectly as well, but I'll take a look at that once I get him washed and cured and everything afterwards. So I'm going to chuck him in the wash station and get back to you. So the details have come out pretty well. As you can see, Wartortle's looking pretty good. Blastoise too, except for the little cannon that came off. So I'm going to have to do a little repair. And that cute little Squirtle there as well. So I'm going to let this cure, and the details should come out a little finer after that. So after curing, the details have actually come out absolutely fabulous. So I am going to glue that back in place once it's done, but it does look really good. As you can see there, it needs a bit of cleaning up in areas. Very nice, very nice. Put it on for a 30-minute cure, which brought out the details really nicely. Let's just check the smaller piece. Even the smaller piece there, the details come out a very fine detail. I'm really impressed with this print.